Hey guys, Kelly here with Live Life Logically, and I have another product review for you. So today we are going to be reviewing the Magnetic Eyeliner Eyelash Suite set. And so you can already see I've done my makeup. I've never used the magnetic eyelashes or magnetic eyeliner fluid before, so this is going to be the first time. I've used falsie eyelashes, where you do the temporary glue. But again, never use this magnetic technique, so I'm kind of excited to see what it's all about. Okay, so I purchased this on Amazon. It came 2 days prime shipping, and that's free shipping for $24.99 total on Amazon. And let's look at the instructions. So it comes with magnetic eyelashes, the magnetic eyeliner fluid, eyelashes with a special tool. The usage method is shake the magnetic eyeliner 10 to 20 times, apply the magnetic eyeliner to the eyelids and wait a minute for it to dry. Absorb the magnetic eyelashes onto the eyeliner with the tool or hand, and then complete. So let's try it out. Okay, so I opened it up and I thought that there were only one set of eyelashes, but there's actually 3 set of eyelashes, and they're all a little bit different, if you can tell. The bottom ones are not as full, and then as we go up it becomes a little bit more dramatic. I'm going to do the simpler ones, I suppose, today, and we'll see how this goes. So it also comes with another little instruction sheet that is more, with images to show you how to do it. So here we go. Let's hope this works. Okay, so the first step that they said we needed to do was to shake the magnetic eyeliner liquid 10 to 20 times. So here we go. Okay, that was 20 times. All right, now we are going to apply it to the top of the eyelid, and again, wait 2 to 3 coats, and wait for about 2 to 5 minutes for it to dry. So I'm gonna come in real close here. Okay, now it's black. I just did a little bit on my hand, so I thought it was gonna be clear, but okay, that's fine. Good thing I didn't put eyeliner on today. Here we go. Okay, that's 1 coat. And I'm gonna go into the mirror closer, and I'm gonna do the other eye and then the other 2 coats. So I'll be right back. Okay, so you can see I have applied, I did 3 coats to the top of each eyelid. It's dry, it's been a couple minutes, and I did notice on the instructions that it does suggest that you trim the eyelashes after you put the magnetic eyeliner on. So we're gonna take one out right now and see if we need to trim it. Okay, I hate using these tools, even though it says to use them. So let's just see. Oh my word. It really does just, it like sticks right on. Wow. Crazy. I'm not gonna trim them. I mean, I might need to trim the length because whoa, these are like super long. Okay, now we're gonna do the other eye. So here we go. And it's on. Sort of. I probably should have put a little bit more closer to my eyelid, but gosh, I wish that the lighting was a little bit better in here so that you could see. Now, a little bit too long for me. I might try the other ones and see, even though they're a little bit fuller, I don't think they are as long, but I'm actually really surprised at how easy this was to apply. All right, so this one is starting to come off because I don't think I let it dry all the way. Closer to the corner of my eye. So I don't know. I don't think that I let the liquid dry enough, and so it just came right off. but I don't know if you can see, if I hold this really close, I don't know if you can see, there's like little dots right there and they're spaced apart. Those, I believe, are the actual magnets. See them? So if you miss a spot or you don't let it dry all the way, like I apparently didn't do, then it's gonna fall off. The one thing that I wish that this kit came with was instructions on how to take it off. So obviously they magnetically come right off, but how do you take off the liquid? Now you can already see that, like, I just ripped it off, so now that portion of the liquid is off. So gosh, I'm really torn on this review because I feel like when you're using regular falsies, you know, they're on, like you don't have to worry about adjusting them. And I feel like because these are magnetic, if for some reason you have to adjust it and it pulls that magnetic eyeliner off like it did right here and right there, then you got to reapply. And so I don't know. I guess what I would have to do is try this out for like a full day and see how long they stay on. But I mean, you know, $24.99 for 3 sets. I would say that you could probably go to Walgreens and you could get a set of magnetic lashes for definitely under $24.99. So I don't really know if it's that great of a deal. Okay guys, quick update. I can't get this stuff off without peeling it off, and it's really painful. So yeah, I'm using like tweezers to try and pull it off because even baby oil does not take this stuff off. So that's a problem. Okay, so I just got all of the magnetic eyeliner liquid off. As you can see, I hope you can see, my eyelids are like really red, and you know, obviously my makeup, I've had to smudge it away. Baby oil didn't take it off. Soap and water didn't even take it off. I literally had to like where it's on my hand, I had to like scrape with my nail to pull it off and then rub really hard. So my final review on this, even though I think that they looked really good when I put them on and they were easy to put on, I would say this is a negative for me. This is a no. It's too painful. It's too painful, and I'm worried that if it's that difficult to get off of your eyelid, then you know, what if it gets in your eye? Like, that could be really serious and cause some damage, possible damage to your eye. So there you go, that's my final review on this magnetic eyelash eyeliner set. And if you have any questions, comment below. If you'd like the link to this particular product to try it out for yourself, I will include that as well. And if you have tried a brand of magnetic eyelashes that you prefer or would like to share with us, comment below, let me know. I would be super interested in trying another brand. As always, we ask that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a product review, daily deals, tips and tricks, recipes, and so much more. Also follow us on our social media platforms. We are on Facebook, we are on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Pinterest. And then also follow us on our website, livelifelogically.com, where we also share plenty of recipes, tips and tricks, couponing, information, and so much more. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in to this week's Live Life Logically product review. We will see you next time for our next Live Life Logically product review.